Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tech and gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're going to be talking about the Tiffen Magnetic ND Incorporeal Filter Kit, the best accessory for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you're a content creator looking to step up your game, this 3-pack kit, featuring North Dakota 16, North Dakota 64, ND 256, and a corporeal polarizing filter, might just be what you need. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or need more control over your exposure, this kit offers you incredible versatility. When it comes to quality, Tiffen is a brand you can trust. This filter kit is made with multi-coated HD optical glass that reduces reflections and gives you superior clarity for your shots. The filters are ultra slim and lightweight, which means they won't weigh down your drone or handheld gimbal. The ND filters provide the ideal level of neutral density, reducing the amount of light that hits your camera sensor and allowing you to shoot at wider apertures in brighter conditions. What sets this filter kit apart is the magnetic design. It's incredibly easy to attach and detach from your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. No need for complicated screw-on filters. Just snap the filter onto your camera and you're ready to go. Plus, these filters are hydrophobic, meaning they're resistant to water, oil, and dust, keeping your shots clean even in more challenging environments. The scratch prevention feature also ensures that your filters remain in top condition for years to come. One of the standout features of this kit is the corporeal polarizer filter. This filter is designed to reduce glare and reflections, especially when shooting through glass or water. It also enhances colors, making your images pop with more vibrancy and contrast. If you're shooting outdoors, you'll love how the corporeal filter improves the overall look of your footage, giving you that cinematic feel. The Tiffen Magnetic ND Incorporeal Filter Kit is also built to last. With a 10-year warranty, you can rest assured that this is an investment that will serve you well for many years to come. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, these filters will make a noticeable difference in the quality of your shots. At $39.99, it's an affordable option considering the performance it delivers. The kit comes with 3 filters, North Dakota 16, North Dakota 64, ND 256, each tailored to different lighting conditions. And, with the corporeal polarizer filter included, you're getting 4 filters in one convenient package. If you want to up your filming game, the Tiffen Magnetic ND Incorporeal Filter Kit for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a must-have. Whether you're filming outdoors or in controlled environments, these filters will give you the creative control you need. With high-quality materials, easy-to-use design, and superior results, this kit is the perfect addition to your gear. So, if you're looking for a way to enhance your shots, head over to Amazon and grab the Tiffen Magnetic Filter Kit today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews right here on Product Critique.